Fast Fong. You're one of the multiple characters in Cars that's just, there. He doesn't really serve any purpose. He's, an NPC, non-player character. Well, he is a character, but again, I'm just exercising my point further. He doesn't make any contribution, which I'm aware is the case for practically every other character in the films, but him in particular, just something about him. He's always in the back or in the midfield, but I don't know. I'm just not a fan of him. His livery too, I'm not a fan of either. It differentiates loads, from the previous Rev'n'Go liveries, because before it was just this really bright blue colour, and now it's green for whatever reason. I have no idea why. But I'm not going to argue. It's already happened. You can't exactly change it, can you? Really, what else is there to say about him? He's named after Michael Fong, who's a Pixar employee. That's probably the most interesting part about him, to be honest. There's not really much else to say, but, yes, I'll show you around. Of course, there's the Rev'n'Go logo, which is completely revamped, which I guess was the, intention, of the next gens in the first place. They were meant to, come in and take over from the stock cars, or veterans, whatever the hell you want to call them. The previous generation of racing automobiles, I guess you can call it. Carburetor, or carburetor, I have no idea what the proper way to say it, but I'll say carburetor, decongestant. I have no idea what that's supposed to mean. I think I know what a carburetor is. It's stuff like older cars, so maybe something for older people, like a medicine or ointment or something along those lines. I have no idea what it's supposed to be, or properly at least. Still very simplistic, or like a lot of the next gens. There's quite a few. There's quite a few triangles here in the paint job. Not sure if you can see, but there's different triangles of different shades of green. Can you see that? You probably can, but probably not as well. On your screen or your camera or whatever. Still, it's number 73, yellow 73, and actually I quite like the shade of yellow. Not sure about you. Tell me in the comments, please. Hey, it helps my videos and it helps my channel. More views means more subscribers, so please subscribe, please share, please like. Yeah. Still was meant to be an arrow. Is that an arrow or what's the shape called? A Chevion, I think it's called. The only reason I remember it because Chevrolet. I'm not joking, but that's the only reason. Why I remember the name of that. Yellow rookie stripes. It kind of annoys me that the yellow of the rookie stripes doesn't match the yellow of the paint, which, it's not supposed to, I know, but still mildly infuriating, On the roof, okay, it's got a chip, but that was my fault. Not Mattel's fault, for once. I'm only joking, you know that, don't you? Still a yellow roof with the green number, which I find very interesting indeed. I'm not sure about you, but please tell me in the comments. Have a great day, folks!